Create data store. Data store are essential component of BODS and are required to connect to various DBs. This is basically a link between BODS and any other database. Data store connections are needed if you want to extract data from any particular database or you want to load a data in a particular database. So for that, you have to have a data store connection created between BODS and that database. BODS can connect to most of the database like SQL, Oracle, HANA, Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift. So let's go and create a data store in system. So this is my SQL system which I want to connect to, and I can see there is a server name and there is a user ID with which I have logged in, and this is the DB user2DB I will be accessing. So I will go and see which table I can get in BODS. So there are a lot of tables. I want to get some sales data. So let's see if we have sales data. Okay, we have sales data. What kind of data we have here? So this is the data available in the sales table, and we'll try to connect this SQL DB with our BODS and try to extract this data into BODS. So I will go to BODS and I see I get a lot of option, and here I have data stores option. So I will create a new connection, right click and click on new. Data store name, I can give any name. So I can give DS, that is for data store, learn, and demo. Data store type is database because we are connecting to a database. There are various options available. Database type, so this SQL server, so I will select Microsoft. MySQL is different than this, so I will select Microsoft. And I got few things auto populated here: SQL server on-premise and Microsoft SQL server. Keep them. And the server name is STBO SRVR, as we have seen. Database name is user2DB. User is user2, and I can enter a password. So I have entered all the details, and I need to check the connection between BODS and this SQL server. So I can click on apply, and I don't see any successful message or failure message. When you don't get any message, it means the connection is working. So you can click on OK. And now I have the ds_learn_demo available here, and I see there are options like functions, tables, and template tables. Basically it means then I can get functions, tables, or template tables from the SQL server. So let's see whether we have the tables which we need. I don't see any table here because we haven't imported anything from the SQL system. So I will double click here, and under external metadata I see all the tables which I could see in my SQL server. So data has been fetched about the tables, and I can also go and see repository metadata. Repository metadata is nothing but metadata which is available in this repository. So right now we haven't imported any table, so there is no data available here. So I can go here external metadata, and I can go to sales table. So this is the sales table. I can right click and import. So once I import, I can see the data here. The table is available here, and when I click on repository metadata, I can see the table here as well, because this table has been dragged into or imported into my repository. So it is available here. I can right click and open it, and I see the structure of the table, and I also see some information available here like attribute, class attribute, indexes, partition, and top of that I can also view the data. Yes, we can preview the data by clicking here, and this is the preview we get to see. You can select the fields you want to preview. So I don't want to see products sold, for example. I can click here and see products sold has vanished. And similarly, you can see the structure again here, all the whether it's a distinct, null, or not. So this is profiler which is available, and here also I can select a column and see the data, right? So this also shows percentage of data. For example, the data contains 10 records where Denmark is a value for customer country, which is 1% of the whole data. So this kind of profiling is also available here, and that's how you see the table. So this is the table we have created, which is available now, and similarly I can import any other table which may have or may not have data, I can simply say right click, import the table. The table is available here. I can preview the data as well. So data is also available in this table. There is one more option of reconciling the table structure. So here in these tables which I have imported, I can right click and see whether any changes has been done. So I will try to reconcile from source system. So I can click on reconcile, and here if it is changed or not, it will be displayed here. So let's see, reconcile, and it says no changes have been done. Similarly for sales, I can see. So that's how if you have imported the table long ago, before re-importing, you can try to see if there is any change in the structure or not. Go back to external metadata, and here this is just the connection or metadata which has been imported. You can always delete the data here, and it won't delete the table from the SQL system. It will just delete the table from here. So I can again go and get the table back, and data is available here again, right? So table is available. So when you delete something from here, it is not deleted from the database, it is just deleted from here. And one more option is to get the table in. You can right click on this and import by name. So here you can just type in the table name and you can click on import, and the table will be imported. And if there are a lot of tables which is available and you want to search particular table, you can just click on search, and here the sales results are already there. So let's try something different, STAT, and search for that. Seeing it may take some time, that's okay. So these are the tables which has STAT in them. So it will come back with all the search results here. So this is all about data store connection, importing and reconciling the table. Let's see what we have learned. So we learned how to create a data store connection with any database. We imported the tables, we previewed the data, and we also reconciled the table. So we'll use these tables in future lectures to create our BODS jobs. Thank you.